Are there two?
Here needed 1040 to Hilltop.
Oh,
so that's the walkout.
That's a good point. That probably is.
And you're seeing the little spin-ups around the walkout. Wow.
Yeah, that's pretty nice.
That's some awesome lighting. Adam working?
yeah.
I'm gonna say, you might want people calling that. They don't know what we're on. Look at that mezzo.
Wow. Some lightning right there.
Hey, we're on the middle one.
There's a tornado. Oh my gosh. Why is this out of focus? Here we go. Look at that. Rotation. Here we go. Here we go.
Okay, well,
Look at that, baby. Woo! Okay, let's. Oh my God, there's multi-vortices on this thing. Look at it. Look at that. You gotta. Oh my God. Oh my God. Look at that. Oh my God. Okay, keep going. We need to drive. Oh my God, look at that. Look at that. Tornado.
you're about to drive.
Oh my God. Okay, we gotta go.
I'm fine. Just relax.
Wow. Look at the vortices in it. Look at that.
Yeah.
Can you see it?
That is big.
Yes. Wow. Figure out where we are and maybe call them. Because that thing's nasty.
Hey, we got Spotter Network.
Yeah.
The north corner of Everly.
Oh my God. Okay, we should drive.
No, we're fine.
Okay. Wow.
No, I'm having problems with my video. That's what I've been having trouble.
Well, I have mine. It's okay.
You going? Sounds like a quick time to go.
There's been a report of a tornado cloud 3.5 miles.
No, not a report. There's a tornado on the ground. Yeah, like you said, multiple vortex.
Okay, let's go.
Okay.
Okay, get in the car. Go. There's a car behind us too.
That's
Go.
fine. I got lights on.
Okay. Here we go.
He runs into me.
Nope, we're okay. It's passing the road right now. It's going east.
Like, go, buddy.
Wow. Wow.
Hey, Spotter Network.
Yeah. Multi-vortices. Oh my God, look. Do you guys see that?
So we're driving. I'm
Oh
driving.
God.
So we're moving further west.
It is very dark over there. Oh damn, we are in rain. We are in lots of rain.
Oh, you're just vlogging again.
No, this is rain, honey. Oh my God, look at all this rain.
If 2 blocks this road ends, you gotta go north.
What? Okay.
This is supposed to be Spencer, which is...
Is that the way we're going?
Yeah.
East. Jim, how's it feel being a tornado?
Exciting.
No,
We're not really in it.
it's in your blood now, isn't it?
Oh yeah. Let's hope this road doesn't get washed out.
Sheets.
Tornado warning update for Dickinson County.
Guess we're in Dickinson County.
County until 7:30. Tornado warning until 7:30 for southeastern Dickinson County. At 6:44 p.m., train weather spotters reported a tornado 2 miles southeast of Royal or 10 miles southeast.
Hey, that was us. Yay.
East at 36 miles per hour. The tornado is working near Spencer around 7 o'clock.
Got people behind us. We have our flashing lights. Okay, blowing across the road.
Yeah, but see, you all get the hurricanes out there.
Spotting in Clay County. Reporting a tornado 2 miles southeast of Royal.
Can you make another one saying that this tornado is a rain map?
Someone in the road, be careful.
Yeah.
She's saying over the radio, South Royal, look at where we are.
Oh shit, damage.
Holy shit!
Oh my god, look at the damage.
Holy crap!
Okay, we need to stop. We need to stop. Oh my god, please don't let there be anything near us. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, don't let there anything. Oh god, please don't let it be around us. How are we gonna get around it? Oh, this is really scary. Please don't let it be around us anymore.
It's already passed.
We got damage in the way. Oh god, where is it?
It's in front of us.
Okay, good. He's entering his storm report right here. Wow, look at that big piece of metal right off of that thing. I hope he's stopping.
Oh, he is.
Yep.
Look at the tractor. It's like just toppled. Look at the trees. Wait, where's the power line? Where's... It's gone there.
Go on, unbuckle. There.
Just watch the power line, Jim.
There's
Where is
no...
it? Where's the line?
It's just down straight, and it's
All right,
just
good.
the anchor.
I don't...
Shit, can we go around?
No, there's more damage too.
Oh man, can we get out?
No.
You gotta go back.
Watch out for the guy behind you.
Over there.
You got the guy behind you.
Is that something
Look at it in the
blown over
field.
there?
Yeah, it's in the field. There's a piece of that metal right in the field over there.
There's a rabbit.
Oh, poor rabbit.
Oh, there's
Look
two in the
straight
rain.
ahead. I hope that's not a house.
Anybody else on the Boston Road towards Everly there?
Look at the damage. Look at that. Look at the trees.
Did you get the damage?
Yep, I got it. I got it. Look at this. Here's the people that were following us.
I don't even think we saw that one.
I hope they're all right. I hope everybody's all right.
Well, there's a house over there.
I don't even think we saw
Where's
that.
their house?
Yeah,
It's all
there was
right.
rain back though. That's the problem.
I'm really glad we were not speeding.
Huh?
I'm glad we were not speeding to get to that thing.
Well, that's why I slowed up.
Yeah. Here's a power line. We don't want to go over that. No, we don't.
I don't know.
We got some damage here. The line's coming down. The tornado ripped right through this area.
Record it?
What are we on?
Exactly.
Because, I mean, like, just through the National Weather Service report, damage, power line down, that way they can get crews out here.
Yeah, we're gonna have to do something.
On Road 240, and there's a down power line. On Road 240, what county are we in?
200.
Just by the intersection of 240 and 200th Avenue. 200th Avenue. Yes. Yes, it is. It's the path of the tornado that went through. This is probably...
See the debris in the field? Look at that.
Yeah, 'cause I don't know if you can drive over.
I don't think so.
A live wire.
Thing is, it's not sparking.
Yeah.
The other half is over there.
And we have rubber tires.
Weather service now for radar.
Look at the damage. Oh my god. Oh my god, that poor family. They got hit real bad. Battery's gonna die in a second. Wow.
The house didn't get touched. Look at the house, it didn't get touched.
But the barn did.
Yeah, but look at the house, it didn't get touched.
As to exactly where this rotation is, and we do have one that looks like it's approaching us and moving just off to our north.
Yeah, definite rotation with that one.